2026, it's really the kind of thing where you could tell it to do a wide range of tasks.
Recently, Tesla's Optimus bot just took on an entirely new job, and this time it wasn't inside any of Tesla's factories. Right in the middle of Times Square, New York, Tesla's friendly robot showed up handing out Halloween candy to passersby. It was a simple, everyday moment. Warm, human, and special. But the question is this the Tesla bot Gen 2 or Gen 3 or even Gen 4 or 5 that Elon Musk mentioned in Tesla's third quarter financial reporting call? It's undeniable that Tesla has been doing an impressive job accelerating the production of its bots in recent months. However, the flood of information being released has left many people confused about its accuracy, making it hard to fully trust these uncertain claims. According to leaked information, Elon Musk has officially confirmed the launch timeline for the Tesla bot Gen 3, the most advanced version of the humanoid robot to date. Meanwhile, the company is reportedly already working on Gen 4 and Gen 5 models, expected to debut next year in massive quantities, numbers so large that even competitors like Figure AI or Unitree Robotics wouldn't dare to imagine.
We'll do Optimus 4, that'll be 10 million units, Optimus 5, maybe 50 to 100 million units. I mean, it's really pretty nutty.
But that's not all. Elon Musk also declared that he could soon be commanding an entire army of robots. So, when exactly will the Tesla bot Gen 3 be released? And what are the key differences between the Gen 3, Gen 4, and Gen 5 models in terms of functionality, purpose, and price? Welcome to Tesla Car World. According to Tesla's most reliable sources, this November the Tesla bot Gen 3 will officially make its debut, featuring at least 4 major upgrades that far surpass the current Gen 2.5 model. This will be the first fully capable version, allowing Optimus to complete up to 3,000 extended tasks per day, thanks to its advanced self-learning and imitation abilities. Elon Musk is confident that it will be able to cook daily meals and even prepare breakfast, just like a real household assistant. After more than a year of intensive training, 16 hours a day at the Fremont factory, Optimus can now perform up to 3,000 tasks per day, powered by its advanced self-learning and imitation capabilities. The new version features human-like hands and upgraded hardware, enabling Optimus to operate much faster than anyone expected, with exceptional speed and precision. It's fully prepared for mass production next year, with an estimated price range of $30,000 to $50,000. Trust us. The moment you see it, you're going to love it. Returning to Optimus's latest assignment, this isn't the first time the Tesla bot has stepped into the service industry. Last year, at the We Robot event, where Tesla unveiled the Cybercab and Robovan, Optimus took on the role of a drink server behind the counter. In Los Angeles, the robot also made an appearance at the Tesla diner, holding popcorn in hand and greeting guests right on cue. Behind these light-hearted appearances, however, lies Elon Musk's serious long-term vision. In commercial settings, it can be programmed to handle various production and support tasks in factories, something Tesla has already been testing on a smaller scale. In terms of internal progress, Musk revealed that Optimus prototypes have been moving around Tesla's engineering headquarters in Palo Alto almost 24/7. The biggest challenge at this stage lies in the hands. To replicate the extraordinary dexterity of the human hand, with 4 fingers and an opposable thumb, multiple degrees of freedom, varying muscle forces, and optimal finger length, the team has had to tackle what Musk calls a biological problem wrapped in an electromechanical shell. Most of the motion control systems are housed within the forearm, making the development of Optimus's hand-forearm assembly one of the most complex engineering tasks, even more demanding in terms of electromechanical precision than the rest of the robot's body. During a recent earnings call, Elon Musk revealed that the Tesla bot Gen 3 is expected to launch later this year, featuring an extraordinary design optimized for mass production. However, one clarification is needed. The newly spotted yellow and black Optimus units with upgraded arms are still part of the Gen 2.5 lineup, not the official Optimus Gen 3. Optimus 5 2.5 features several notable visual upgrades compared to its predecessor. The outer shell has been redesigned with smoother contours, cleanly covered joints, and fewer exposed cables. The overall design language has shifted from a boxy, mechanical look to a rounder, more refined form, giving the robot a friendlier appearance and making it look more like a finished product rather than an experimental prototype. In addition to the design updates, Optimus 5 2.5 now comes integrated with xAI's Grok voice assistant. This allows the robot to answer questions verbally, though its responses are still somewhat slow and occasionally delayed, while its replies may sound hesitant and slightly awkward. This integration marks a major leap forward compared to earlier versions. Few people realize that Tesla has actually been putting major effort into perfecting Optimus Gen 3, which is expected to debut later this year. This new version brings upgrades so advanced that it could take the Unitree G1 years to catch up. Optimus Gen 3 is being designed to handle a wider range of practical tasks, especially around the home. Its upgraded capabilities in cooking, cleaning, and other household chores are far beyond what the current model can do. Even more impressive, the new Optimus will boast a massive battery improvement. Just 2 hours of charging will power it for 22 hours of continuous operation. Naturally, the price tag will no longer be the original $20,000. To make Optimus capable of performing tasks like cooking, Tesla has invested heavily in developing its true brain and, just as importantly, its arms. Elon Musk recently admitted on X that one of the toughest engineering challenges lies in creating a dexterous robotic hand, and mass-producing thousands or even millions of these hands is up to 100 times more difficult. Musk has said that building Optimus is harder than the Model X, more complex than the Cybertruck, and even tougher than constructing a gigafactory, though still not as difficult as the Starship project. But why is Tesla dedicating so much effort and money to designing a hand that moves like a human's? According to Musk, human beings have evolved to look and function the way we do for a reason. Everything in our world, tools, environments, and daily objects, has been built for human use. So if a robot is going to perform the same tasks we do, it must share our form, especially our hands, the very instruments that allowed humanity to build civilization. Musk often highlights that the human hand is an evolutionary masterpiece, with over 27 degrees of freedom and a tendon-driven mechanism controlled by forearm muscles, similar to a puppet system. This design allows both incredible power and precision. Our hands can swing a bat, thread a needle, play the piano, or assemble a car. No other body part offers such versatility. To create a truly general-purpose robot, the hand problem must be solved first. And that's where most robotics companies fall short. They can build machines that walk, run, jump, box, or even play table tennis, but they still struggle to design a hand that can peel an orange or rinse vegetables under running water. Ironically, they fail at exactly the kinds of tasks people most want robots to do. Perhaps the easiest way to imagine Optimus's full potential is to picture it in a kitchen. Cooking isn't just a series of simple motions, it's a complex real-world test of coordination and intelligence. Even preparing something as basic as bacon and eggs requires the robot to open the fridge, identify ingredients, gently handle an egg without cracking it, turn on the stove, control the pan, add oil, stir, and time everything perfectly. Each of these actions demands a flawless blend of dexterity, cognitive reasoning, and real-time motion control. If Optimus can cook, that would mean it has truly transitioned from being just an industrial robot to becoming part of everyday human life. When compared to today's robots, that leap becomes even more striking. The robotic arms in Tesla's factories can weld car frames and install components with extreme precision, but they only excel in fixed, repetitive environments. Drop them into a dynamic kitchen, and they'd be... What are the key differences between the Gen 3, Gen 4, and Gen 5 versions? Tesla just wrapped up its third-quarter earnings call, and once again all eyes were on the latest updates about the Optimus robot, highlighted by CEO Elon Musk. But the Tesla bot isn't just being designed to handle household chores or assist in manufacturing. According to Tesla, it's set to take on a wider range of tasks and capabilities next year, right before it officially hits the market. So, will this robot turn out to be a breakthrough for humanity or a potential threat? There's no clear answer yet, but here's what we do know about what's coming next. Over the past 3 years, Elon Musk has repeatedly made bold statements about the Tesla bot in an effort to convince investors, shareholders, employees, and the public to look beyond Tesla's traditional focus on building and selling electric vehicles. He has positioned the company's future around the development of a humanoid robot designed to assist humans in everyday life, handling household chores, cooking, cleaning, childcare, and other practical tasks. Musk has emphasized on several occasions, no fewer than 5 times, that the Optimus robot could eventually become Tesla's best-selling product of all time. During the third-quarter earnings call, Musk suggested that the Optimus robot might one day achieve up to 5 times the productivity of a human worker, thanks to its ability to operate continuously without rest. He noted that the robot could even function while tethered to a power source, eliminating downtime for charging and enabling 24/7 operation. One of the most anticipated announcements from the call was the introduction of Optimus version 3, which Musk said could be unveiled as early as the first quarter of next year. He described this upcoming iteration as remarkably lifelike, so much so that, according to him, it might look less like a machine and more like a person in a robotic suit. The design, he hinted, would be so realistic that observers might have to touch it just to confirm it's actually a robot. This indicates that the upcoming version will likely feature an exceptional degree of refinement, with smooth contours and design details that conceal nearly all visible components such as wiring, joints, and drive mechanisms. Musk has previously hinted that its movement would appear remarkably lifelike, exhibiting a level of agility and natural motion nearly indistinguishable from that of a human being. Adding to the speculation, several reports suggest that the Tesla Bot 3 may include an OLED display on its face, integration with Tesla's Grok AI voice assistant, and hands designed with human-like dexterity and precision. While Musk has neither confirmed nor denied these rumors, he did clarify that the model currently being showcased remains version 2.5. The existing Optimus 2.5 has already demonstrated impressive capabilities. It has been seen performing fluid martial arts-style kung fu movements, so convincing that several spectators at the Tron Ares premiere mistook it for a human in costume. It also made a stage appearance, holding a microphone, and even assisted in serving food at the Tesla diner. These showcases highlight the robot's growing sophistication, but according to Musk, they represent only the beginning. Looking ahead, Tesla's roadmap for the Optimus line appears extremely ambitious. Musk has previously mentioned that production goals for Optimus Gen 4 could reach around 10 million units, and a staggering 100 million units for Gen Manomas for Yirova. Such figures may sound far-fetched, and admittedly many remain skeptical, especially considering that Optimus 3 has yet to be unveiled, but they underscore Musk's long-term vision for Tesla's robotics division. Despite the excitement, it appears that Tesla may be slightly behind schedule. Optimus 3 was initially expected to debut at a major event in November, but its launch has now been pushed to the first quarter of next year. The delay seems to stem from the complexity of developing the robot's hands, a challenge that Musk himself described as one of the most demanding aspects of the project. During the meeting, he openly acknowledged that creating a fully functional humanoid robot is an extremely difficult task, emphasizing that the design and engineering of Optimus's hands and forearms present more difficulty than the rest of the robot combined. As has been emphasized many times before, including by Elon Musk himself, the hands of the Optimus robot represent one of the most complex and costly aspects of its design. If the projected price of an Optimus unit is around $50,000, the hand technology alone could account for 50 to 60% of that cost. According to Musk, achieving truly human-like hands for Optimus 3 requires an intricate combination of 4 fingers and a thumb, each with multiple joints, varying lengths, and a muscle-like actuation system extending through the forearm. Developing a robotic hand capable of handling tasks as delicate as holding an egg, as precise as threading a needle, or as strong as lifting a dumbbell poses a tremendous engineering challenge. To make this possible, Tesla's engineers must design actuators that are not only miniaturized and lightweight, but also exceptionally powerful and precise, a balance that very few robotics companies have managed to achieve. Elon Musk recently revealed that thanks to its advanced self-learning capabilities, the Tesla bot can now master up to 100 new tasks each day, from cooking meals and preparing breakfast to cleaning the house. In essence, Optimus functions like a personal assistant. Tesla has also upgraded its hardware, allowing the robot to perform with greater speed and precision than anyone expected. According to Musk, Optimus is now ready for large-scale production, and he's confident consumers will want to bring one home next year. Throughout 2024 and 2025, a series of videos and live demonstrations have showcased just how far the Tesla Optimus has come. The robot now moves with impressive fluidity, performing a range of basic actions and household tasks, from picking up and arranging small objects to handling more complex duties such as serving popcorn at the Tesla diner. One of the most striking improvements is Optimus's natural walking motion. Many humanoid robots still exhibit stiff, mechanical steps, but Tesla has made major strides in creating smoother, more balanced movement across different types of terrain. Musk noted that while Optimus currently walks at a slower pace, it's expected to reach human walking speed by the time it officially launches, and it's designed to remain remarkably stable, rarely ever falling. Although Tesla markets Optimus primarily as an industrial robot, the company is clearly redefining what humanoid robots can be. Rather than limiting it to factory work, Tesla is positioning Optimus as a versatile household companion, one that can assist with daily chores such as cooking, cleaning, and organizing with increasing skill and independence. Recent updates highlight just how advanced the third-generation Tesla bot has become. At the Fremont factory, Optimus successfully completed a series of complex household tasks that few believed possible for a humanoid robot. Cooking a simple dinner, vacuuming, mopping the floor, picking up scattered toys, and even taking out the trash, all in real-world conditions, and in just 2 hours. Elon Musk expressed genuine excitement over these achievements, describing them as undeniable proof of Optimus Gen 3's growing capability to take on repetitive, labor-intensive tasks once handled solely by humans. With its capacity for self-learning and real-time adaptation, the Tesla bot continues to evolve, improving its efficiency with each experience and promising to bring a new level of convenience to everyday life. Equipped with advanced cameras and 3D sensors, Optimus perceives its surroundings in a way that closely mirrors human vision. It doesn't simply identify objects like an egg or a slice of cheese, it also understands how those objects relate to one another in three-dimensional space. Within a kitchen, for example, it can distinguish a knife meant for cutting from a jar of sauce or a piece of lettuce that belongs between 2 slices of bread. All this visual and spatial information is processed in real time and transmitted to its AI-driven brain, allowing the robot to make precise, sequential decisions as it performs each task. As highlighted in previous discussions, the real breakthrough behind the Tesla bot lies in its extraordinary 22 degree of freedom hands. This is the feature that truly separates Optimus from its competitors. There's no doubt that the Tesla bot Optimus will continue to advance, taking on an even wider range of tasks and new features next year before it officially goes on sale. But that raises the big question: will this robot ultimately become a powerful tool that benefits humanity, or a potential threat to it? Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next breaking Tesla update. It's coming in just 2 days. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.